exactly what some of y'all look like, vultures, out here eating animals that's dead. Look at it, just look at it. Oh my God. Let's see what they eating. Out here in the field. Yeah, we eating up some animals. We're looking for some people to eat, but we ain't found any. What the hell wrong with this lady this morning? I ain't stopping, she's in my way. Oh boy, they eating it up. Let's see what the car gonna do. Let's see. We gonna have to back it up, back it up, back it up. Some vultures eating out here.
Cleanup crew.
That's what they call. Okay, the cleanup crew. All right, we call y'all the cleanup crew. Good morning, people. Huh? He's playing possum. Whoa, whoa. He's playing possum. Cleanup crew. Let's see. Let's see what we got out here. Maybe we can find some turtles or some stuff out here. It's a wild lady on the loose this morning. I'm going to catch me a turtle. That thing is playing possum. That thing is not dead. I'm trying to tell you right now. Y'all think y'all finna eat it. Look. Just look at it. I'm pretty sure it's playing possum. So let's see. My phone be tripping. I need me a recording person, because I can't record and drive, y'all. Let's see. These things are big. I never really seen these things up close. Let's see what they're looking like. So all we doing is just videoing them eating something dead, and the possum is just playing dead. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. He's trying to go after him. All right. He is trying to eat him, but the cars is stopping it, and they are. Good morning. He's like, I'm going after him. I'm going after him. I'm gonna take my shot. Oh, see, I'm a bad recorder. Watch, he's gonna go get him. I don't think that animal is dead. I think he's playing possum. There you go. Watch. He's going in for the kill. He's trying to tell that the close is clear. Oh my God, this is scary. Look at him. He don't see me. So now he's just. He wanted to see his friends first. Look, he act like he's scared. He's touching. I'm telling you, that animal was still breathing that I looked at. Watch this. Watch me be quiet and record. So cars are coming, and they're still trying to. He's like, I'm just gonna move back. So he's gonna go back in. I don't think this animal is dead. They're debating. He's debating. Like he's trying to go for it. Like he's really smart. Now he's going in front of it. Let's see. Is he trying to make sure? What if he just get up and run? Oh no, here comes a garbage truck. He's gonna move. Yeah, he's gonna go for the garbage truck. Okay. Are they trying to fight? Or what do they got going on? Let's see. Let's see what they got going on. Let's see. I guess they're flying away. never seen this. No, he must be like the head leader of it, of it or something. I'm convinced he's the head leader. Oh, they're going in for the kill. They're going in. They're going in. Are they picking it up? Oh my God. You know, I always see this on Planet Channel, but never like really impersonal. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do to him. They're gonna see if he's alive or what. Turn my heat off. See, they come in slowly. They come in slowly. Told you he wasn't dead. I told you. I told you he wasn't dead. Watch, watch. Is he dead? See, they don't know if he's dead or alive. Watch. Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's your girl Queen, back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I wanted to record these vultures eating because this is how they go in for their prey when they think it's dead. But this possum is not dead. I think he's playing possum, hoping they will leave. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, gang.